Hello and welcome to Grape Alliance. We are the data specialist in the wine industry and the official partner of VDP, the Association of German Predicate Wine Estates. We monitor the digital wine market to help you keep track of the offers of your wines online and to give you the most relevant market data, which will provide a solid base and a strong position when negotiating with trading partners. There is an enormous surplus of wine offers in the market. 1 of 10 wines is not sold. This is exactly the reason why a winery needs to stand out from its competition. You already have the unique wine and the right marketing. GrapeManager helps you control your prices and monitor your trading partners. The data and analysis can be viewed online at any time through our portal and are clearly summarized and presented in our tool, the GrapeManager Monitor. Today, we will introduce the GrapeManager Monitor to you. Before we continue, please consider that the market data you will see next is fictional, but created to resemble a real scenario. On the homepage, you will see 4 categories: the overview of all your wines, the overview of all offers of your wines, your price deviations where the top price deviations of your offers are shown, and last but not least, your sale opportunities. Using the navigation bar, we can select the individual categories. Let's first have a look at the wine overview. Here the GrapeManager lists all your wines of the different vintages individually. The most important key figures you will see are the current average price compared to your recommended retail price, as well as the highest price deviation below and the highest price deviation above your recommended retail price. The filter function allows you to analyze the market data of the selected wine quickly and easily. In addition, each column can be sorted by a single click. By clicking on the small arrow to the left of the wine name, we open the wine details, where the top 5 deviations can be seen. For each top deviation, there is the function View Offer on the far right. When clicking here, you can have direct access to the actual offer that is available on the internet. In this simulation, however, you will see the fictional version of a wine retailer offering the selected wine. Back in the navigation bar, we can open the dealer overview, where you will see all the dealers who are selling your wines. In addition to the contact details, the partner status is also displayed, which indicates whether each dealer is supplied directly by you or by a middleman. Furthermore, you will see how many of your wines each dealer offers, as well as the number of offers with a price deviation. When clicking on Details, you can go directly to the offer overview. Here you will see all your wine offers, which are filtered by the respective retailer. This gives you an overview of the product range of a retailer, which in this case is korg&co.de. Each offer is listed individually, showing the bottle price and the price deviation from the recommended retail price, both in euros and as a percentage. Also, you can click here on the right to go directly to the offer and the retailer's homepage. In the next section, we see the sale opportunities. Here you will see which of your wines are no longer available, which means they are out of stock. At Grape Alliance, we see empty stocks as a sales opportunity because you can quickly identify the situation and offer to resupply the empty stock. Finally, you should know that you can individually set the threshold value for calculating price deviations from the setting options. Let's conquer the digital wine market together. Join the GrapeManager network and benefit from using its data. If your wines are being sold online, GrapeManager Monitor is a tool that will help you take your sales and distribution strategies to the next level. You can get your free test account at thegrapemanager.de. Thank you and goodbye.